Hey guys, we are reacting to Goku versus Jiren stick fight today. We're gonna see how this is gonna turn out. I kinda did a good job. I kinda did a good job for the beginning. When Goku was on the rock and he landed when he first saw Jiren. First he powered up, then he come on. Okay. Thank you. Okay, she's on God. Okay, okay, we go ahead and 16 guys, 16. Now here we go. Yeah, he didn't do that. Okay, time 20. Okay, time 20 coming home. No, time 10. Let's come on around time 10. Nope. That could have been close. Okay. Get the spirit bomb. Alright, here we go. Tell everybody get him. Energy. Oh, y'all tell me anything. How in the world can Android 17 survive longer than Gohan? I just don't get that. I really don't. Like Gohan was in there? I don't know what would change. Like, man. I just don't know how the heck is 17 being there longer. Then Gohan. I just don't. I don't understand. Like, one time ago, Gohan used to be the main character, used to be beating everybody. Yeah, he was the main person that had Super Saiyan 2 before Goku and Vegeta. There we go. Just says not today. Yo, ain't gonna lie. Okay, it was pretty good. Some of it was pretty good, but at the end, it was Goku turned Ultra Instinct. Ultra Instinct. That was lit. I like that right there. Like it was crazy. Cause I liked the aura around him. That was nice too. It was like a kind of like a dark blue, but light a little bit. I don't know, but it was crazy though. Cause I don't think Goku got a whole lot of hits in the regular one, like in the real one, but in this one, whoa, he got them bad. I'm surprised Drink he had no marks on him. Goku did get put him a whole lot of hits on him. But Drink said, nah, boy, you can't get me today. Uh, y'all let me know which one you want to see next. Sorry, my bad again. Same thing keep happening. But do y'all want me to see part two of Goku versus Jiren? Yeah, I see part two. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Alright? Peace.